What we do in the courtroom stage is a performance. You can call it a lot of different things, but you're performing. You're using your voice, you're using your words, you're the mouthpiece for this entity called the client, and if that's not a performance, I don't know what is.
This seminar is about learning to tell a story. We as attorneys think we know how to communicate, but telling someone about what happened to your client is a skill they don't teach you in law school.
I would absolutely tell my friends to do this, and not just my friends who are litigators, but anybody who's interested in becoming a better communicator. The skills you'll learn here are fantastic and invaluable.
I would definitely recommend the winning story to my peers. I would recommend it to attorneys, to non-attorneys, to management, because it's a way of communication that's not just unique to the legal field.
In my cases, in my trials going forward from here, I would use the telling winning story from the outset before I ever ended up in the courtroom.
I will absolutely encourage my friends that try cases and are in an advocacy position to absolutely tell the winning story. It makes it exciting again.